Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Rengoku Anime Vanguard update. First, make sure your game client is completely up to date. This prevents many common installation issues. Next, confirm your system meets the update's minimum specifications, like having at least 8 GB of RAM. Finally, always back up your existing game files. This crucial step protects your progress in case anything goes wrong during the update process. It's a quick safeguard that saves a lot of potential headaches. Once your preparations are complete, it's time to download the update. Always use the official source to avoid corrupted files or security risks. The update file is typically around 2.5 GB, so ensure you have sufficient storage space. After downloading, locate the installer and run it as an administrator. This step is vital for the update to correctly modify game files and directories, preventing permission errors that could halt the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. After the installation finishes, launch Rengoku Anime Vanguard to verify everything is working correctly. Look for the updated version number, usually displayed on the main menu or within the game's settings. This confirms the update was applied. If you encounter any problems like crashes or missing content, don't panic. Many common issues have simple fixes. Check the official support forums or community pages. Often, other players have already found solutions to similar difficulties. Patience is key here. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, consider clearing your game's cache files. This can often resolve minor performance issues or graphical glitches. For more stubborn problems, a complete reinstallation of the game might be necessary. While it takes more time, it often fixes deep-seated file corruption. And speaking of upgrades, why not upgrade your home cleaning? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control and self-emptying convenience. Check the description below for a link to this amazing product and other great deals. Keep your game and your home running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.